everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm making cheesy egg muffin. It's easy and simple to make. Enjoy the video. Let's get started. Ingredients that you need: chopped capsicum, chopped tomatoes, chopped green chilies and coriander, chopped onions, red chili powder, black pepper, salt, mozzarella cheese, egg, process to start. In a cup, add onions, tomatoes, capsicum, green chilies, coriander, all spices. Now make small pieces of mozzarella cheese. Add into cup. Now in a separate bowl, beat the egg. Add into cup. Mix it well. Keep it in microwave for 2 minutes. Sprinkle some chili garlic seasoning. Cheesy egg muffin is ready. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.